Today I'm going to talk about the Python extend method with the real life example, right? So first of all, we will see the definition of extend method, right? So the extend method is used to add multiple elements to the end of a list, right? This is the syntax of extend method. We will write the list name, right? Then after we will use the dot operator, right? Then after we will use the extend method. Then we will use the parenthesis. Also we will use the iterable, right? What does it mean by iterable? Iterable is a collection of items that Python can read one by one, right? So the extend method always used by what? They add the elements one by one, right? So if we want to add the single element, then we will use the append method, right? If we want to add the multiple elements, then we will use the what? The extend method, right? Now we have example one with the real life example of extend method, right? In which we have a basket one, right? In which we have stored three elements, and this is the second basket two, in which we have stored three different elements, right? So now we are going to add biscuit two into biscuit one, right? Right? Then we will write the biscuit one, right? Method. Then I will write the name of biscuit two, right? I want to add into biscuit one, right? I will write into. Now I will print the biscuit one, in which we have stored three different elements, right? So biscuit one, right? So now we will print on the screen. You will get what the this is output, right? So these fruit of biscuit one, these three are what? Biscuit two. Now we have added biscuit two into biscuit one, right? Now then after I have print on the screen, right? This this is the real life example of what the extend method, right? How we extend the list in Python, right? Now we have a what the example two, in which we will add what the tuple values in the list, right? So we will use the what the list one, right? Write the list one. Then after I will use the what the extend method, right? Then after I will write the double parenthesis, right? I will use the uh, 6 comma 7 comma 8, right? Now I will close the parenthesis, then I will print on the screen. You will get what the list updated list, right? List only list, right? So I have made the mistake in which this is the list, right? Now I will print on the screen. You will get what 3 4 6 7 8, right? This is the what the output of what couple values, right? Now we have another example. We have a string, right? String list. List one we have stored three names, and list two we have stored three names also. And now I'm going to add list two into list one, right? Then after I will write the str one, right? Now I will use the sorry. Now I will use the extend method, right? Then after I will use the str list two, right? Now it means that we are going we are going to add str to list 2 into list 1, right? Now what we have to do, I will print the list 1, right? Str list 1. Now I will print down the screen. You will get what the updated list. or modify list, right? This is called the what the extend method, right? When it will fail, now if you want to add the single element in the what the extend method, then you will get what error, right? Now I will want to add uh, str list one, right? Dot extend. Then I will write the name of what Puskaran, right? Now I will print on the screen. You will get what here list one, right? Now I will print on the screen. You will get the error, right? This is what the extend method in Python, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel.